Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word microcosm. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The small town of Maplewood was a microcosm of American suburban life in the 1950s. A microcosm is a small-scale representation of something larger, such as a community, society, or system that encapsulates its essential qualities or features. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.